In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an animated profile picture on Steam. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase a dynamic avatar that catches the eye of your friends and fellow gamers. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open your Steam app. Once that's up, if you're not already logged in, locate and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your account name and password, so make sure you have those details handy. Once you've filled in your credentials, go ahead and click on Sign In. Now you're on your Steam homepage. From here, navigate to your profile by clicking on your Steam username at the top of the screen. This will present you with a drop-down menu from which you should select View My Profile. This option takes you directly to your personal Steam profile page. Next, keep an eye out for the artwork tab and give that a click. You'll be directed to your artwork page. Here comes the fun part. You're going to upload your new animated profile picture. To do this, click on Upload Artwork. When prompted, you have a choice to search or click on Not Game Specific, indicating that your artwork isn't tied to a specific game. When you're ready, give your artwork a memorable name. This is not just for organization, but also because your friends might see the title, so feel free to show off your creativity. Now comes the file upload portion of the process. Click on Choose File to upload and select the animated image file that you want to make your profile picture. Remember, for the best results, make sure your file meets Steam's size and format requirements. Once that's set, add a description to your artwork. This step is optional but recommended for providing context about your new animated display. You'll also need to select the visibility settings that determine who can see your uploaded artwork, whether it's just your friends or the entire Steam community. Make sure to check the rights and ownership box to confirm that this artwork is yours and doesn't infringe on someone else's rights. And finally, when you have everything filled out and double checked, click on Save and Continue. Your animated profile picture is now part of your Steam profile, ready to impress everyone who visits. And there you have it, a simple way to add a touch of flair and personality to your Steam experience, all within a matter of minutes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Until next time, happy gaming.